Okay, guys, let's talk about how crazy this morning has been so far. So, I want to welcome back to New York from Delmarva, right? So, this morning, Upton decides to send out the hurricane drill at 6:30 this morning. It came up as an unrecognized statement. Then I go eat breakfast, and then I get a flood watch for Sullivan County on KCC 31. What a way for me to be welcomed home.
Products can tell you a lot about what is expected to happen with a storm, including the storm's path, rainfall amounts, wind speeds, and more. There is a lot of information available days ahead of a storm, and it is important to understand what it means. Rely on official forecasts and well-established media partners in the weather enterprise. Be cautious of sensational headlines and instead look for reliable sources to determine a storm's potential impacts. Use the official National Hurricane Center forecast for the most accurate information and your local National Weather Service office for specific impacts to the area you live in. Know your alerts and the difference between a watch and warning. In general, a watch means impacts are possible. A warning means impacts are expected or happening. Do not focus on a specific storm category. All hurricanes and tropical storms can bring life-threatening storm surge, inland flooding, and damaging winds. Also, remember that impacts can be felt far from the storm center. When using the National Hurricane Center's cone graphic, remember that it only represents where the low tracks statistically 2/3 of the time. Impacts can fall well outside the cone. For a better understanding of hurricane forecast and impacts, visit the following website, NOAA.gov Understand Forecast Information. Also, be prepared this hurricane season and visit hurricanes.gov and ready.gov/. Hurricanes. The next statement will focus on get moving when a storm threatens.
Here we go, SVA just got issued.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 233, effective until 8 p.m.
Yep.
This watch includes the following counties in New Jersey: Hunterdon, Morris, Somerset, Sussex, and Warren; in Sullivan, New York, and the following counties in Pennsylvania: Monroe, Northampton, Pike, and Wayne.
Oh my God.
Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 233 has been issued until 8 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Hunterdon, Morris, Somerset, Sussex, and Warren; in Sullivan, New York, and the following counties in Pennsylvania: Monroe, Northampton, Pike, and Wayne.
Let's get it back on the computer again. Boy, guys. I mean, Upton, can you explain why you were going fast? Being at Mount Holly was going slower. Why? It was accurate when it got sent out on Twitter X. What do we got here?
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Monroe County in northeastern Pennsylvania.
Yep.
Northeastern Northampton County in
Called
eastern
it.
Pennsylvania until 4:30 p.m.
There was an SVR in Carbon.
41 p.m.
Get on the radar, guys.
The thunderstorm was located over Penn Argo, or 11 miles
Yep.
north of Easton, moving north at 25 miles per hour.
Yep.
Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible.
There it is.
Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible.
It's that one.
Locations impacted include Stormville, Readers,
See?
Henryville, Wind Gap, Arlington Heights, Stroudsburg, Saylorsburg, Unalming, Penn Argo, Delaware Water Gap, Tannersville, Alpine Mountain, Scotland, East Bangor, Bangor, Belfast, Marshalls Creek, Lissetto, Paradise Valley, and Martinsville. This includes the following highways: Interstate 80 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 298 and 314. Interstate 80 in New Jersey near mile marker 0.
Look at that.
Interstate
Lining up for Binghamton's radar.
between mile markers 2 and 5. Remain alert for a possible tornado.
Ooh!
Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms.
Yeah!
If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room. in the
Yay!
structure.
You activated too.
For your protection, move to an interior
Good
room
job.
on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating,
A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Monroe and Northampton.
Yep. I said I knew it. I knew it. Because when there was an SVR earlier in Carbon, and I knew when I was saying to myself Monroe was next, I knew Monroe was going to be under the SVR. Another one.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey, has issued a tornado warning for
TOR!
Central Monroe County in northeastern Pennsylvania, northeastern Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania, until 4:30 p.m.
Oh my God.
At 3:57 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over East Bangor, or 14 miles north of Easton,
Oh
moving
my
north
God.
at 20 miles per hour.
Oh my God.
Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation.
My first TOR of the year. Let's go.
Damage to roofs, windows.
No. Oh, Mount Holly toned this one out. Not Binghamton. Oh my God. So 4:30.
This includes Interstate 80 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 302 and 314.
Oh my God.
Take cover now.
My first TOR of 2025.
On the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding.
Show you all the map.
Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued.
There it is.
4:30 p.m. for the following.
And look, it's right by Pike County. Look, there's Pike.
In Times Square. Police describe the teenage suspects as repeat offenders.
Tornado warning now just to the west of Warren County right now. Thankfully, it is not headed into Warren County. It is headed due north right now. So that is likely scraping the Delaware Water Gap, but staying away. Still could be dangerous storms, though, that get in northwest New Jersey. I will say this storm is tracking toward the western parts of Pike County. So if you're in places like Blooming Grove or along I-84, I want to keep tabs on this.
Yeah, look at that. Lee Goldberg even acknowledged it because he knows it's right on top of Pike County. See, there's Pike County right there.
Maybe the Hudson Valley west of the Hudson. After 9 or 10 o'clock, we're probably...
Here we go, another one. See what we got.
The National Weather Service in Binghamton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Wayne County in northeastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Pike County in
Called it.
northeastern Pennsylvania until 5 p.m.
Called it.
At 4:08 p.m., a severe
You knew there was gonna be an
thunderstorm
SVR for
was
Pike.
located near Jamestown, 14 miles north of North
See, you go away. Thank you. You don't want my tabs open.
Although it has one of the highest rates of passport holders at 80%,
Nickel?
counts as a form of real ID. 45% 85% compliance in New York, where similarly many have passports. Connecticut, meanwhile, coming in at 73% compliance. If you do not have some form of real ID, TSA officials say...
Now, let me show you the map. That way it gives you like an idea where it is. Yeah, see, there's Pike. So I wouldn't be surprised if Sullivan County is next. Because I think this is heading towards Sullivan. See? See, the way the radar is projecting it, I wouldn't be surprised if this draws up to Sullivan.
And we intend to follow the law.
So there's the current SVR for Pike, right? So it's hovering over Pike County, okay? So what this is going to do, and I think this is obvious, it has to be heading into Sullivan County. Because the way that this is moving, right? Here's Sullivan. So I know where Sullivan County is in the Catskills. So I think there might have to be an SVR issued by Binghamton for the Catskills soon. Oh boy, guys. SVR just got toned for Sussex County. I knew it. I knew it. I knew Sussex County was going to be next. Yeah, see? The other Midland went off. Yep. Oh my god, another one's getting toned. Here we go.
Impact. Flying debris will be dangerous.
Another tornado warning just got issued?
Mobile homes will be damaged
In Wayne
or destroyed.
County. Look at this.
Windows and vehicles
What
will
is going
repair.
on here?
Tree damage is likely.
Give me a look at the radio.
Will be near. Topic around 4:25 p.m. Following around 4:25.
All right.
Please cover now.
All right. No,
Oh boy, look at this, guys. Guys, look at this. Lee Goldberg is on right now. Lee Goldberg is on right now. Are you kidding me right now?
Shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Yep.
Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. for the following counties in
All right, well,
Pennsylvania, Pike
anyway,
and Wayne.
I honestly, wow.
Look at this, guys.
I knew WFRE would have relayed, but I honestly...
Yeah, right now I'm just watching Southern Pennsylvania WX's video. Let's see what Lee Goldberg is saying. Look at this, guys. They're even relaying on the bottom of the screen. This is crazy, guys. Back to back. Right when the camera cut off. Why? Another one's getting sent out. What now? This is crazy, guys.
It is moving due north, and again, this one's moving due
Flood
north
warning
at
for
25 miles an
northeastern
hour.
Lackawanna County in northeastern Pennsylvania.
I had a feeling FFW was going to get toned out.
With these storms. So
Look at this. I have
let's go back. I'm going to zoom in
the
now
Scranton
on the
Wilkes-Barre
radar.
affiliate of ABC on right now.
These are the areas right here.
'Cause that's
a
the
nasty line. Remember,
Designated media
the
market
attributes that I have on the
for
radar are only
the
for the last 10
tornado
minutes.
warnings.
So that gives you an idea of how many lightning strikes
And
we're
that
dealing
little,
with.
All right, let's listen to KCC 31 for a second. Oh, wow. Look at this. Look how intense that lightning is in the Poconos right now.
And streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying
Guys,
Some locations
if it wasn't for my Sony camera,
Carbondale, Honesdale, Artwell,
oh my god.
Susquehanna, Forest City, Mayfield, Susquehanna Depot, Waymart, Hancock, Lanesboro, Thompson, Uniondale, Prompton, Bethany, Strucka, Pleasant Mount, Shinokin, Stunska, Starlight, and Hiawatha. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
This is insane. I mean, I was keeping an eye on this over the weekend. Why did I have a feeling that that marginal was going to be upgraded to a slight? Especially when I was coming home yesterday. Guys. I don't know what to say, but this is welcome home to me, right? Okay, another one. What we got now?
The National Weather Service in Binghamton has issued a tornado warning for
Another
southwestern Pike County in
Oh my
northeastern
God.
Pennsylvania until 5 p.m.
Oh my
At
God.
4:27 p.m.,
This is
a severe
insane.
thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Alpine Mountain, or 11 miles east of Mount Pocono.
Third
moving
one of the
north at
day.
25 miles per hour.
3.
Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter.
The tornadoes have created a
Mobile homes will be
dynasty.
damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows.
I can't. I just can't. Oh my God.
This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of southwestern Pike County. Take cover now.
Yeah, there it is.
Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle...
Because this is impacting the Poconos.
...and protect yourself from
Yeah.
debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued.
Yeah, look at that.
9 p.m. for the following county, Pike, Pennsylvania.
See? Just miles west of the Poconos. Shut this one off. Another tornado warning?
Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a tornado warning for West Central Sussex County in northwestern
Oh my
New
God.
Jersey. North Central...
Sussex County?
Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a tornado warning for West Central Sussex County in northwestern New Jersey. North Central Warren County in northwestern New Jersey. East Central Monroe County in northeastern Pennsylvania until 5:15 p.m.
Oh my God.
At 4:31 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Hope.
Okay, now I gotta show you on this radio too.
Moving north at 30
Show.
miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation.
Oh my God, guys.
Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those...
I think V. Goldberg's about to bring it up.
Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed.
Yeah.
Damage to roofs.
Hang on, Lee Goldberg's rushing over to his computer.
The radar to see where this all is going to. Because right now we have a new tornado warning that just
Parkersville, 5 points. Crandon Lakes, Blairstown, Echo Lake, Hidden Lake, where...
Here we go.
5:15, and you can see that's moving right over parts of I-8, Oaklandtown, over to, and right in the path of that is Blairstown. So if you are in parts of Sussex and Warren County right now, want to make sure you get to a place of safety, preferably a basement, inside, away from windows here, because this storm is capable of producing a tornado. Have to read about it to see if we're talking about radar indicated. Jeff Smith's in the Weather Center right now. Jeff, if you can hear me, if you want to just text me if that's radar indicated right now. There's another cell.
It is radar indicated. That's why Mount Holly sent it out.
That's moving off to the
Severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Warren.
about 35, 40 miles an hour, and it probably will be out of Warren County. Let's see, we're looking at about 4:30.
Nice.
5 o'clock. So you see 5:15.
It's a good thing Channel 7's 4 p.m. newscast was live right now. This is insane.
Sussex County, whether it be near Middleville or Hardwick over to Walpock. And then I just heard from Jeff, it is in fact radar indicated, so we don't have a spotter on this right now, but this is the cell that we're watching that's crossing I-80 right now, that's headed
Oh my
right toward
God.
Blairstown and over to Hemlock Glen. So once again, a tornado warning until 5:15 across Sussex and Warren County. Across the rest of the area, you can see that we are quiet. We have some heavy downpours that are over the east end of the island, just a lot of fog. And
What do we got now?
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly,
Yep.
New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Lehigh County in eastern Pennsylvania, southeastern Carbon County in northeastern Pennsylvania, southwestern Monroe County in northeastern Pennsylvania, southwestern Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania until 5:30 p.m.
Oh boy.
At 4:44 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Emmaus or near Allentown, moving north at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs,
See if I can pull
siding,
this up on the
trees,
computer,
and power
guys.
lines is possible.
Let's see.
Locations impacted include Wellness Fort, Broadheadville, Counciltown, Effort, Gilbert, Capitown, Hope and Aqua, Emmaus, Bath, Zionsville.
Yep, there's the one, 445.
Burlingville, North Conshohocken, Ancient Oaks, Conshohocken, Christchetta, Chapman, Allentown, and Demille.
Yep, Allentown.
This includes the following highways: Northeast extension between mile markers 47 and 65. Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 53 and 62.
Mm-hmm.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Carbon, Lehigh, Monroe, and Northampton.
Yep. I think this is a TOR.
The National Weather Service in Binghamton has issued a tornado warning for Central Pike County in northeastern Pennsylvania until 5:15 p.m.
Look at that.
At 4:48 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Peck's Pond, or 14 miles west of Montague, moving north at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado.
Yep.
Source, radar
And Binghamton
indicated
toned it
location.
out.
Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter.
Yeah, I'm just trying to move the camera away, guys.
Damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Peck's Pond around 4:55 p.m.
Look at this.
Take cover now.
This is going to head to Sullivan County.
Basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building.
Sullivan County is not in this
Windows.
soon.
If you are outdoors,
This is going to be bad.
or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. for the following county: Pike, Pennsylvania. Has issued a tornado warning for
Another
northwestern
TOR.
Sussex County in northwestern New Jersey until 5:45 p.m.
Oh my God.
At 5:11 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Crandon Lakes, or 8 miles
This is
northwest
insane,
of-
guys. I'm literally just about to edit the video. And I get another one.
Source, radar indicated location.
This is insane.
Impact, flying debris will be dangerous.
So sorry about doing this on the fly. But my other camera went out again.
Damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include
Mid Lakes, Montague, and Haynesville. Yeah, there it is.
Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows.
Yep, I knew Upton was going to tone it.
In a mobile home or
Let me
in a
turn that
vehicle.
off.
Move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following county: Sussex, New Jersey.
There we go.
Until 5:45 p.m.
Yep.
At 5:11 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable
This is insane.
of tornado was located over Crandon Lakes.
This is insane.
Northwest of New
There it is. Guys, look at this. This is close to the Orange County line.
A thunderstorm warning for southeastern Pike County in northeastern Pennsylvania until 6 p.m. At 5:17 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Demon's Ferry, or 7 miles southwest of Montague, moving north at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and nickel-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Matamoras, Milford, and Demon's Ferry. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms.
Yep.
If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. for the following counties: Pike, Pennsylvania.
All right, so it looks like we do have a confirmed report of a tornado right here, and I'll show you it. Bangor in Northampton County, Pennsylvania at 3:51 p.m. Several videos received via social media confirmed that a tornado did touch near Route 191 south of Bangor. So there you have it. I mean, there was a tornado on the ground. The radar caught it, and then look at this.